What up, Tube? I'm here to tell you today about a way to run your Starlink satellite out of your RV or your travel trailer without having to drill holes or make any kind of wacky stuff. I was getting ready to do it. I used to be a communications technician, so that's all we did was like put in low voltage, speaker systems, alarm systems, Cat 6, Cat 5, all that stuff. So I was going to make up a little box and drill, but I really didn't want to drill. So I basically, my wife came up with this. She's smarter than I am. So when you come over here on this slide, and I'm going to bring this slide in here real quick just to show you. Oops, that's not it. Okay, so I'm bringing this slide in a little bit. As you can tell, it's this one. So what happens is when you're going out on these, you can actually get a bigger opening. I unfortunately didn't get it enough there, but you can actually slide it through. Let me pull it in a little bit more and we'll see here for you. Alright, as you can see here, you can see daylight back through there, down through there. It slides perfectly with the rubber there, the seal you have, So we just run our modem and stuff here and run that Cat 6 out, which you can actually see the bit of light. It's perfect. It doesn't pinch it. It's easy, and on top of that, it's right, my satellite's right above us and the ladder's right here, so I can run that Cat 6 and I can keep it off the ground so squirrels don't get into it. I know we had a problem with some people. We camped, had squirrels getting their stuff. I'm sure they'd chew through all this stuff too, but instead of drilling holes in your camper, use your slide out. It's a lot easier, and honestly, if you do it when you first open it, there's like big gap there so you can slide it through. Of course, have somebody outside to make sure you have enough length, and then close it up, and it's easy. No wear, no tear, no drills, no holes, no silicone. Make sure it's waterproof. It's simple, easy to do. So hopefully this helps you guys out. Once again, that's the Starlink satellite, and that's how to get your Cat 6 up from the modem outside your RV without having to cut any holes or open windows and stuff. So have a great day. We'll catch you on the next video.